Good morning, students. Today's topic is the three-dimensional geometry. This three-dimensional geometry having two parts, that's lines and planes. Lines and planes. Okay, and the first topic is line. There is some concept of lines here. You will see here the first formula, the equation of line passing through a point and parallel to given vector, and the formula is it's a vector form. There are two forms, vector form and Cartesian form. Vector form is R is equal to A plus lambda B, and A is the point through which the point this line is passing. Okay, and this line is passing is parallel to this given vector B, and its Cartesian form is this x minus x1 y minus y1 this, where x1 y1 z1 is the point and A will see its direction cosine. Second equation of line passing through 2 point, where that is R is equal to A plus lambda B minus A, where A and B are the points through which line is passing, and it is the Cartesian form x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Okay, and the most important part of this, there is one also the angle between two lines, And now the next is shortest distance. That is most important part of this chapter, and that is very important for also for board examination. Okay. Now the shortest distance between two lines. There is two cases between two lines, two skew lines and parallel lines. So now there are two lines R A1 plus lambda B1 and R A2 plus lambda B2. A1 and A2 are the point through which our lines are passing, and B1, B2 are the vectors which are parallel to the given lines. Okay, so now its vector form is now shortest distance SD. SD is equal to A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon B1 cross B2 mod and whole mod. Okay, this is the shortest distance between two skew lines, and now it is the there is Cartesian formula also. Okay, this x2 minus x1 upon this are also this square root will be here. And now shortest distance between two parallel lines, shortest distance equal to, when it is parallel lines, so B1 B2 both are B, both lines are parallel to one single vector which is B cross A2 minus A1 upon B. These are some applicable formula. Okay, one applicable formula. Now we will start the exercise 11.2. I am taking one question from exercise 11.2. Question number 4. That is very simple, easy question. That is, find the equation of a line which passes through the point 1, 2, 3. We have to find the equation line which passes to the point 1, 2, and 3, and parallel to vector. That vector is 3i plus 2j plus minus 2k. So we have to find the equation of line which passes through 1, 2, 3 and parallel to this given vector. And now we have to find the vector form, and now formula is R is equal to A plus lambda B. Okay, so A would be I plus 2j plus 3k, and B is already given here, 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Okay, it is direct formula based question. It's nothing to do. This simply you have to write value of A here, I plus 2j plus 3k and plus lambda 3i plus 2j minus 2k. This is the value of R, value of that line. Now I am taking another question. It is also a very simple question. And now question number 6. Find the Cartesian equation of line which is passing through this. Cartesian equation they are asking, which is passing through point minus 2, 4, minus 5, and parallel to a line x plus 3 upon 3, y minus 4 upon 5, and z plus 8 upon 6. So this is the point through which line is passing. We have to find the Cartesian equation. So now, x1 is equal to minus 2. Okay, y1 is 4 and z1 is minus 5. Okay, and now ABC is 3, 5, 6, and ABC is 3, B is 5, and C is 6. As I told you the formula, that is x minus x1 upon a, that is the formula for that case. Equation of line x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. So this is x, and x1 is minus 2, x plus 2, and a is 3, y minus y1, y minus 4, b is 5, and z minus z plus 5 upon 6. This is the required solution. Okay, now we are taking another question, some interesting question which is actually important and for examination point of view. Now, before that, I am taking one more question. The question number 13 also, that is related to angles. Show that lines, there are two lines, x minus 5 upon 7, y plus 2 upon minus 5, and z upon 1. This is one line, and another line is x upon 1, y upon 2, and z upon 3. And we have to check or show that it is perpendicular to each other. So now here A1 is 7, B1 is minus 5, C1 is 1. And now A2 is 1, B2 is 2, and C2 is 3. And for a condition of perpendicularity, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we can say that it is perpendicular. So A1 is 7, and A2 is 1, B1 is 2, B1 is minus 5, and B2 is 2, and C1 is 1, and C2 is 3. 7 minus 10 plus 3, finally is 0. This shows that the value of A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. The value is given coming 0. It means these two lines are perpendicular. This is the condition of perpendicularity. This is the condition of perpendicularity. Now I am taking another question. That is the main point of this topic in the chapter, that is shortest distance. Question number 15. Find SD, shortest distance between the lines. Lines are x plus 1 upon 7, y plus 1 upon minus 6, z plus 1 upon 1. And second line is x minus 3 upon 1, y minus 5 upon minus 2, z minus 7 upon 1. Okay, so these are lines. We have to convert into vector form, because actually I suggest you have to learn only one formula, that is vector formula. If it is given in Cartesian form, convert it into Cartesian form, vector form, and then apply the formula of A2 minus A1, that is the first vector form. Okay, so now here you can see here A1, which is the point through which this line is passing. which you can write is minus I minus j minus k. This is the A1, and B1 is 7I minus 6j plus k. Now similarly for second line, A2 is equal to 3I plus 5j and plus 7k, and B2 is I minus 2j plus k. So this is you having the A1, B1, A2, B2, and the first you find A2 minus A1, which is 4I plus 6j plus 8k. The value of 4I A2 minus A1. Okay, this will come, and after A2 and A1, find B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2 means I, J, K, and this is the 7 minus 6, 1, and 1 minus 2, 1. This is value of B1 cross B2. You will calculate it, and you will find the value is minus 4I minus 6j minus 8k. After getting this, now you will find the B1 cross B2 mod. Okay, so B1 cross B2 mod means 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square. So finally we will get the value. This is 2 root 116, that is 2 root 29. After getting these 3 point value, now use the formula SG, shortest distance. This is formula is already we have written this A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon B1 cross B2 mod, and whole distance is mod. Now putting the value A1, so this is a 4I plus 6j plus 8k. This is B1 A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2, which is minus 4I minus 6j plus 8k upon the cross mod of B1 cross B2 is 2 root 29. After calculation of these two, that is you can get the value 116. Okay, 116 and 2 root 29, and after calculation it is 116 root 2 root 29. It is the so now this is 2 root 29 is the answer. My answer. This is shortest distance between two lines. 2 root 29. Now I am taking some another question of quite difficult form. Now question number 16. This was question number 15. Now question number 16. Now question is, find the SD between the lines. And lines is given in vector form. Lines are R is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda. This is I minus 3j plus 2k, and second line R is equal to 4i plus 5j, 4i plus 5j plus 6k plus mu and 2i plus 3j, 2i plus 3j plus k. So now that is the vector form given here, two lines. So we have to find the first A1, A2. So you can see here, this is the A1, this is the A1, this is B1, this is A2, and this is B2. We can see very clearly here A1, A2, B1, B2 here. And now first we will find the according to rule a2 minus a1, which is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Then we will find the b1 cross b2, okay, which is I, j, k, and 1 minus 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. Then after calculation, now we have value minus 9i plus 3j plus 9k. And now then we will find the b1 cross b2 mod, which is 171 under root. Its value is 3 root 19. After getting this value, again we will use the formula shortest distance a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 upon b1 cross b2 mod and whole mod. We will put the value of a2 minus a1, which is 3i plus 3j plus 3k dot b1 cross b2 minus 9i plus 3j plus 9k upon the value of b1 cross b2, which is 3 root 19 mod. After calculating the value, this is the minus 27 plus 9 plus 27 upon 3 root 19, and 27 minus 27 cancel. Finally, it is 3 upon root 19. That is the shortest distance. Okay. So now that's all for shortest distance. Okay. Next class we will start the question exercise from plane. Okay. We will take the next exercise related to plane. Thank you.